Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Virgo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. One more shuffle and we begin. Okay, my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. Alright Virgo, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Virgo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Virgo. Temperance, Queen of Wands, the Two of Pentacles, Five of Swords, Eight of Wands, Seven of Wands, King of Cups, the Ace of Wands, and the Page of Cups. All right. So somebody wants to come and speak their truth, it seems, here. They don't want to keep any secrets or hide. They just want to come and speak their truth, it seems. And there's an apology coming as well, it seems. Somebody wants to heal things between the two of you. Maybe one of you has been a bit upset and angry because the other person was not making a decision. And the person who was not making that decision is now feeling, because their partner is so upset with them, that, whatever games I was playing, I am the loser now. They do want to fight for this connection. They want to put in work. There is a lot of love here and the passion. And I think, Virgo, somebody wants to come forward with an apology now. So, of course, I'll clarify all these cards to make sure. But let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start the reading. So, Virgo and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Virgo and their person. And Virgo, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Okay, let's take a few more from here, Virgo. Virgo and their person. Okay. And a few more from here, Virgo. Good to go. All right, let's start your reading. The first one here says, aren't you tired of overthinking and being so hard on yourself? You can deliver yourself out of this pain, fear, and frustration, and you will see what I've seen in you all along. You can't imagine how much I love you. You are the woman, oblique man, that anyone would desire. I know that I can count on you, and I will show you that you can count on me too. Okay. Your love makes me feel untouchable and invincible. You make me stronger, happier, and wiser. Your love is the greatest love I've ever known. I'm haunted by your presence. I see you in my dreams. I hear you telepathically. Every song I hear reminds me of you. I see your name everywhere and numbers that have special meaning to us. Everything reminds me of you, and all I want is you. If this is happening to you, why do you stay at a distance? There is no escape for me. When I try and move on, then I'm haunted even more. I feel like I've been fighting for your life, for you not only to stay alive, but for you to be your authentic self and to thrive. I want to see you embrace your dreams and fly free from everything that's been holding you back. I'm so proud of you, my love. You inspire me to be a better person. I'm working on myself, and I hope that one day I can inspire you too. So somebody wants to now be a better person, be inspiring. They want to prove that they will do the right thing. Good. If only you knew what I've been through to be at your side. Do you really know the sacrifices I've made? It hurts like hell when you push me away, when all I do is fight for you and our love. I have to juggle a lot of responsibility right now. What I'm most in need of, you cannot give me. I've never felt such an intense connection. Alright, Virgo, these were some of your messages. If these are resonating with you, let's start your reading. We're going to start as usual with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, advice, guidance, or just a message for my Virgo gang. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Sleep. Okay, so this connection could have taken a little bit of a sabbatical in the middle, I guess. But if you're stressed out, Spirit is saying you don't have to worry about anything. Take care of yourself, get a good night's sleep, because things are going to improve really soon. So why waste, right? Why waste your energy on worrying? So let's see what's happening. Okay, Temperance, Spirit. Temperance and the Queen of Wands in reverse. What's happening here? Temperance and the Queen of Wands in reverse. Oh, somebody is feeling very embarrassed. Somebody is feeling very embarrassed, very ashamed of their actions. They're feeling rather depressed now, feeling very, very stressed out. Maybe this person hasn't slept for a long time because they've been feeling really bad about whatever they've done. I don't know. They do want to bring things back into balance and healing because they know that they've upset their partner. They know that person's very angry and upset with them. They have been watching, even though maybe you guys are not talking, but this person has been keeping an eye, on this Queen of Wands, who maybe they feel is very angry with them right now. So Queen of Wands, what's this Queen of Wands, Spirit? If this was a third party situation, maybe this Queen of Wands asked their person to choose. Somebody wanted somebody to make a choose, maybe not juggle them, and maybe waited a long time as well, till I think they put their foot down and said, hey, enough is enough. Okay. They were feeling like they were just not being able to find any balance or any clarity. It felt more like a situationship more than a relationship, right? They felt that they were being juggled. That person was only coming in hot and heavy for some fun, and then they would leave as soon as they came in. And that may have kind of upset this Queen of Wands. Yes, and maybe communication stopped. Maybe this Queen of Wands decided, I'm not going to put in any more work into this connection. If they're not going to commit, then I have to pull myself back now. I'm not going to be a second fiddle in their life. So, Five of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Five of Swords in reverse. Five of Swords in reverse. Whoever the other person is, I think is now feeling the brunt of it. They're not happy at all. Their sunshine is gone. They do want this. They do want this fight to end. They want their person to put down their barriers down. Maybe they feel they've lost their long-term partner for good, or they are going to. They are willing to put in the work. They are willing to put in the work because they feel very stuck in their life. They feel things have really stagnated and things are really stuck. But I do feel they do want to fight for this connection one more time. Battered and bruised, somebody still wants to fight for this connection. I have two cards suggesting the same. Seven of Wands, Spirit. Yeah, somebody wants a reunion. They don't feel strong enough without their partner being in their life. Somebody does want a reunion, reconciliation, and if there was a third party, I think they're ready to block that. King of Cups, Spirit. King of Cups. King of Cups. King of Cups. This King of Cups feels they made some very unwise decisions. They're worried about the conflict. And also the fact that maybe they haven't really come forward to apologize. And now they've created some bad memories in this connection, and they're very worried that they've lost the love of a lifetime. They still have a lot of passion, Ace of Wands. But right now they're feeling quite powerless, and they feel things have really stagnated. I may not get a second chance, but my God, the passion is overwhelming here. Look at this. Ace of Wands clarified by the Ace of Wands. But somebody is kind of feeling that they've lost their footing in this connection. They may not get a second chance now because things have really stagnated, right? So I think they are thinking of coming forward with an apology. Page of Cups, Spirit. Page of Cups. Page of Cups. They want to reveal all about their selfish behavior. They want to talk about why they were being selfish, or why they were not taking action, why they were probably cold in the past, or they didn't make a decision. Somebody has been feeling very, very abandoned and left out in the cold. But this person does want to, they don't want this chapter to end, that's for sure. They want another go around. They want to return. They want to return, they want their person to return, they want this connection to return, even if that means coming forward with finally an apology and some truth. They want to speak their truth about what makes them truly happy, right? So yes, they want to come and talk about why they probably behaved the way they behaved. Let's see, what's this High Priestess, Spirit? What is to be revealed? High Priestess in reverse. Oh. If there was another person, I think they would probably be willing to drop that person if this was a third party situation, because they do want unhappily ever after with their person. And if you're not in a third party situation, Virgo, then the person the Queen of Wands, who's upset with them, who's been drained out of their love and never been reciprocated, this is what they want to say, that hey, you make me really happy, I'm sorry the way I behaved in the past, will you please drop all this past baggage of whatever's hurt you, hurt us, hurt this connection, and let's have a 10 of Cups together. Now whether their person agrees or not, I am not sure. Of course, we'll find out both sides in the next reading, Virgo. But till now, from what I see, that somebody is, even though there's little doubt and suspicion and anger, all that present, the person who's created that hasn't been happy, and they still have a lot of love and passion, and they are willing to come and bare their soul and apologize. Okay, so yes, it may take a little time because the Sleep card is here. Give it a little time, and of course it's your choice whether to accept the apology or not. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Virgo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.